Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn to combine selectors. Okay, so let me go to this folder and open the style sheet in Notepad, and then let me open this web page. Okay, so this is what we did in last section or last video. Now let me open this too in Notepad. Okay, let me open this too in Notepad. Yes, so let me minimize this. Okay, so I have two Notepad files, one CSS and one of HTML. Now see, I have many elements here, correct? I have many elements here and I have styled many of them using CSS in the last section. Now if you see here, we have text align center for H1. We have text align center for H2. We have text align center for paragraph. Okay. We have the same text align center property values for H1, H2 and P. For L we do not have it, but we have it for these three. Now instead of writing this in all three, you can combine them and write it together. Okay, and the way to do it is like this. Okay, so let me hit enter. I'll say H1 because I want to bring H1 to the center, correct? And then I will use comma. Okay, comma is used to separate the selectors. Next, I want H2 to be at the center too. So I'll say H2 and then comma. I will say P because I want the paragraph to be at the center too. I will say P. Alright, H1, H2, P. And then I will open the flower bracket and close the flower bracket and let me cut this. Okay, let me cut this and paste it here. Okay, so here I have to delete it. Okay, here I have to delete it. All right, so now what we have done is we have combined the selectors H1, H2, P, and all these should be brought to the center. That is what we are saying. So let me go to file and save. And let me refresh here. You cannot see any change here because we made it to be at the center, correct? We made it to be at the center. Now this is how you combine selectors. This is called as list selector, list of selectors. All right, you combine the selectors using a comma and then give the property value which is common for all. Now generally we use this to mention font. Okay, we mention other things too, but one of it is font. So let me say font, or let me make one more. All right, font family, and let me say serif. Okay, serif. So let me delete this because I have sans serif here. Let me delete it and let me save it. Okay, let me save it. So you can see it has been changed. Now let us change everything to sans serif. Okay, sans and serif. So I'll save this and you can see everything changes to sans serif. Okay, everything in the sense H1, H2 and P. So just imagine you have hundreds of lines of CSS code and let us say you want to change the font family of many elements. You cannot just go on and type this in every single declaration block. Instead of doing that, you can just combine the selectors and change everything at once. All right. So this saves time. Okay, so now let this be here. Let me proceed with the next topic. Next is let me say P. Okay, let me say P, and let me change the color of this. Okay, I'll say color and I'll say blue. Okay, color and blue. I will save this and see the result. Okay, I have all the paragraph elements in blue color. Alright, so let me change this to a different color, or let H2 be black itself. Okay, for now let me save it, and yeah, now what I did was I changed the color I changed the color of paragraph to blue. Okay, I changed the color of paragraph to blue. Now if you see here, everything that is wrapped in p tags are in blue color. Okay, are in blue color. But if you see here, even the links are in blue color. Even the links are in blue color. Back to top, everything is in blue color. Why is that? Let us go and see the HTML code. Okay, HTML code. If you see HTML code here, you can see that we have used p tags for back to top. Okay, p tags for back to top. As back to top is in p tag, and as we have colored p tag to blue, this has come in blue. Okay. Next, if you see here, click here to read about turmeric. Where is it? It is here. Click here to read about turmeric. Now it is also in p tags. It is also in p tags. Okay, and we just colored p tags to blue, and so this entire thing has come in blue color. Same goes for fenugreek. Same goes for fenugreek here. So fenugreek here, P. As click here to read about fenugreek is in p tags, it has come in blue color. But we do not want that. We just want this and other things to be in blue color, and not the links. To change this, we can use descendant selectors. Okay, so see what I do here. I will type A and I will type P. Okay, I will type A and P, and then I'll open bracket. I'll say color and black. Okay, color and black, and then close bracket. Okay, so I will save this. And I will refresh it, and you can see everything went back to black. Okay, everything went back to black. Okay, everything went back to black. Now what did we do? What we did was, we said the color of p element inside A should be black in color. That is what we said. Okay, now what A and P means is P in A, right? So this means P in A, or P tags inside A tags. Now if we go to this, and if we see here, it is P tag inside A tag. Okay, this is A tag. So P inside A, P inside A should be in black color, or we are saying paragraphs which are inside anchor tags should be in black color. Okay, same goes for this too. We have P tags here, and we have A tags outside P tags. This is A, this is P, this is P, this is A. So basically P tags are inside A tags. Same goes here too. P tags are inside A tags. What are A tags? Anchor tags. And that is what we are saying here. P tags inside A tags should be in black color. Alright, should be in black color. So all the p tags inside the a tags are in black color. Okay, black color. Now let me change it to red and show you something else. Okay, red. Let me save this. Let me save this. Okay, and let me refresh it. So you can see all the p tags inside a tags are in red color. Red color. But not this. But not ginseng. Let us go and see what has happened here with ginseng. So here ginseng, you can see a tags are inside p tags. Okay, a tags are inside p tags now. But what have we written here? P inside a. What do we have? A inside p, and that is why this is not affected. Okay, so that is why this is not in red color. Let us change that too. Let us change that. You know how to do it by now, correct? We have to say p and a, or a inside p, and let us change color to green. Okay, green, and let me close this. So let me save it and let me refresh it. Okay, so you can see this has come in green color. Okay, green color. All right, so this is called as descendant selector. All right, descendant selector. This is called as descendant selector, and this is called as list selector. Okay, now this method can also give problems. All right, so we use as classes, and what is a class? That is the topic for next video. All right, so go ahead and practice what we have learned in this video. All right, practice and experiment with it. Change few properties, see the result, and then proceed to the next video. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.